So as an artist with a login on the ArtWorkingWords app, you have access to this dashboard, and here you can see a list of all of the feedback that's come from viewers of your artwork in a gallery. So a viewer in the gallery has been able to scan a QR code, and through that they've been able to hear your audio clip of information about your piece of work. They've been able to hear a question from you, and they've been able to respond to that piece of work through an audio clip that they record on their phone and upload. So you can see each of the audio clips, you can hear each of the audio clips separately, or you can go to get an analysis of this data. So the analysis basically looks at the relevance of each word or phrase that's been spoken in all of the sound files altogether, and each one is assessed for its relevance, and its occurrence has been counted. To see this data in a visual form, you can click on Show Visualization, and what this will do is allow each of them to be shown in terms of a calculation that's done on the relevance and the frequency. So it uses both those bits of information to detect which is the most important. The most important is highlighted at the top by being bigger and brighter, and the less important, less irrelevant they become, the smaller and the darker they become.